At the decorations for the fest, so we're just fixing up the lights. Yan juga dari rumah, and yeah, that's what I'll be doing. And let me show you guys something. See you later, alligators. It's an alligator fish. Fresh. Look at this note. Figuring out the decor. This is gonna be the stage area. Filling up the water. This is how the water drains and it's getting filled at the it's gonna take a lot of time to fill. So we have the construction going on. This is gonna be the ticket counter. So we are making that. It's the park. Time for lunch. So I'm going to the restaurant.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how.
They're almost done today. Although we didn't do a lot, we're waiting for someone just to do the lighting and those white thingies going on.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Charo! So I just got back from Pudung, so entire day I was like at Pudung Aju, as you guys saw in the video, and we were like a bit busy with the decor and some stuff related with the event, so this is not the event full day now, but still dole din tayo bite aju. So I just came home and I'm gonna have my dinner now, and I'm gonna work on the store products because yeah, that is what's required now. Kinabune, I haven't like made much. I've been like very busy with the event and the videos are so like this to be on function. So I think today I'm gonna pull an all-nighter. So yeah, but before that I wanted to share this with you guys. Now I received a package from Bips Creation. She's a Instagram based online store from Kalimpong, and she makes handmade stuff, jewelries or scrunchies or, and I've already like opened it. And can you please appreciate this like cute little heart sticker? I mean, like, this is like so cute. It's the little details that matter. So yeah, I already opened it, and inside there's a scrunchie and a pair of earrings. And oh my god, this scrunchie is like so damn pretty. Check this out, guys. This is like a velvet scrunchie, alka oversized, so it's gonna look like pretty, and it's gonna look pretty with your traditional attires. So yeah, she got me this, and she also got me this safety pin earrings, cute, very chic, very wait. So yeah, she got me this, and these are like really pretty. Thank you so much, Bunny, for sending me these. I really appreciate it, and I hope that your business just keeps growing and keeps flourishing. So yeah, thank you so much for the gifts, and I wish you all the best for your business. So guys, please check them out on Instagram. I'll have their link in the description box so you guys can check them and support your small businesses, support local artists. They basis mane हामीले यो event पनि गरिरहेको छ 27 and 28. हाम्रो main motive चाहिँ के हो भन्दाखेरि we wanna like provide a monthly platform for small businesses, local entrepreneurs हैन, so that they can like come connect, build a community with the clients, even like with among other small business owners. So yeah, so that the community gets stronger, so that is why. So I hope you guys will visit Pudung Farmhouse on 27th or 28th. Bilka halka dance party pin, so you guys can come.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are.
Silver ones are done. I look tired AF because I am tired so much. So I'm done with the silver ones, the lanyards. Now I'm gonna finish up the golden ones, and after that I'll make few earrings and phone charms, and then I'll edit this video because I'll have to upload it, otherwise I won't have time tomorrow. So I thought I'd just film everything, I'd film like everything, like all the earrings that I make and everything, but it seems like it's gonna like take me a lot of time. So instead I'm just gonna finish up this golden lanyard first, then edit this video, then when the video is rendering and uploading, I will make the earrings and phone charms. So yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video today, and I'll be back with another one tomorrow. And as you guys can see, we are working hard for the fest, and I'm sure all the other businesses, all the other people who are involved in the event are working hard. So if you guys could come and join us and support us, then that would mean a lot. So yeah, I think I'll call it a night. Like not night because I'll be working even after this. So yeah guys, I'll end today's vlog here. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, stay creative and stay curious. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.